Hi everyone, this is Mark of Tech Pinas. Since most of us are just often staying at home these days because of the pandemic, as well as the quarantine to help prevent the spread of the virus, having great home entertainment electronics has become more important than ever. For instance, a large and brilliant TV in your living room can help you in staying abreast with news from around the world. And it can also help entertain you and your loved ones by watching TV series, movies, or vlogs, or even just by playing games with your family to help keep your mind off your worries in these trying times, even for a brief moment. If you're currently thinking of upgrading to a good 55-inch 4K Smart TV, but you can't spend more than 50,000 pesos on it because of our current circumstances, then let me show you two new products from our friends at Hisense that you might want to check out. As many of you know, Hisense is one of the world's most trusted and most profitable TV makers currently, and they always offer a good warranty period for their products. So, if I got your interest, join me in my quick unboxing, initial setup, and features rundown of the Hisense 55U6GS and the Hisense 55A7200 FSVI, both of which are 55-inch 4K Smart TVs that are priced below 50,000 pesos. Alright, let's go! So let's start with the Hisense 55U6GS, which is the more premium of the two models that we have here from our friends at Hisense. So later I'll talk about the price of this particular model as well as its key features. But for now, let's open this carton box and check out everything that's inside. Alright. So it says here, guidelines on how to unbox your TV. We have these, and I believe these are parts of the free wall mount. So this is one of the freebies that you will get when you buy the 55U6GS. You have these, and these are the metal stands if you will be mounting the TV on a table, which we are going to do later. So for now, I'm just gonna keep these. And now we can remove this styrofoam cover. So we'll just lift it up. And as you can see, we finally have the TV here. Following the instructions of Hisense, I asked for the help of my younger brother, Val Marvin of Ballers Pinas, to help me in setting up the 55U6GS. Okay, so first I'll just remove the other pieces of styrofoam. Alright. So here we have the documentation. This is the quick setup guide. And you also have the user manual. There you go. And then you have the power cord. Here we have the remote control. So let me just show you how it looks. There you go. That's our remote control. Okay, now I think we're ready to pull the TV out of the box. So let's do that slowly and safely. Alright? Okay. Just lifting it out. Okay, so let's put this at the back of the box first so we can be extra safe, and we can remove the box now. Let's start installing the stands. Okay, so it says here right, and this is also for these slots right there. So what's nice about this stand is that it's made of solid metal, which means that it's very sturdy and secure. Okay, so let's install it. So you can choose if you want to install it in this slot, R1 or R2. So I want it a bit closer to the center. So I'm just gonna place it here for this part. Make sure that both are tight and secure. So here, as you can see, it says L for left, and we're just going to follow what I did there on the other side. Tight and secure. Alright, so now that we have successfully set up our Hisense 55U6GS ULED TV on our table, we can finally turn it on by clicking on the power button on our remote control right here. Okay, so let's do that. And there you go. Now let's go to the home screen by clicking on the home button right here. As you can see, this is the home screen of VIDA, which is the Smart TV OS of Hisense. According to the company, VIDA Smart TV OS is simpler, faster, and smarter than ever before, as it lets you access your favorite content quicker and more conveniently. Now let me talk about the technical specifications as well as the key features of the Hisense 55U6GS as I play a high-res video via the YouTube application. Okay, let's play this one. Okay, so the 55U6GS features a 55-inch, which is a 54.6-inch in actual quantum dot ULED panel that supports 4K UHD 3840 by 2160 pixels resolution. So this TV also features 4K upscaling as well as Dolby Vision, HDR10, and HLG compatibility. So if you're wondering, ULED or Ultra LED is the term used by Hisense to represent its collection of 20 various patents around 4 key areas in display technology, including ultra-wide color gamut, ultra-local dimming, ultra 4K resolution, and ultra-smooth motion rate, among many others. This LED TV technology covers Hisense proprietary patents that all work together to enhance the overall viewing experience. Now, if you're wondering about the ports at the back, the Hisense 55U6GS has 4 HDMI 2.0 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, an Ethernet LAN port, HDMI ARC or ARC, HDMI CEC, as well as an audio port. Other notable features include Dolby Atmos sound, built-in DTV and analog TV antennas, as well as noise reduction, parental control, sleep timer, and even closed caption. The Hisense 55U6GS 55-inch 4K ULED Smart TV has a very competitive price of 40,950, and I think it's already a very good SRP given the display size as well as the many value-added features that I talked about earlier. On top of that, you will get a free wall bracket as well as a free Devant SB-50 Soundbar that can give you a more immersive audio experience when you're watching your favorite TV series, movies, documentaries, and even vlogs. So, is this TV the right one for you? Well, if you're currently looking for a good 55-inch TV with a very slim profile and a very attractive design that will look great in your living room or bedroom, as well as a TV that has that ULED technology or set of innovations from Hisense that can really give you and your family that very enjoyable and relaxing home entertainment experience, then I think that you should certainly check out the Hisense 55U6GS.